Hello everybody and welcome back. It is actually supposed to be a new course, but actually what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add all the videos that I recorded to this course. So basically you're going to have more hours once you register in this course. So for the meantime, I would like to explain a little bit what we are going to talk about. Let's say in the second part of this course is going to focus more on the dialogue. We're going to make more conversations than before. Also, we're going to focus on grammar and verbs and everything, but dialogue is going to take the big part of this section. So in this case, I would like to welcome back you one more time, and I would like you to focus with me because I will try to use the Arabic words more than English words. And in this case, you're probably gonna need to pause the video, go back like 1 minute, and then just listen again to the previous minute. Probably you need to pause again and translate. It's gonna be a little bit complicated if you did not take the first course, which is the free course, and also if you did not complete the first part of this course, which is the first 4 hours that I have recorded. So anyway, regardless to all of these things, let's just focus now and start with the first slide. And we are going to start with our first dialogue. This is dialogue number 1, and I'm gonna choose my red pen over here. So the dialogue number 1. So dialogue in Arabic is hiwar, and focus that I am saying h. It is not h. It is not h. No, it's h. So you are saying hiwar. You remember that the accents are playing a big role in each word. So basically, this accent under the letter, or let's say below the letter, it means I. So that's why I am saying hi. Okay, so hiwar, and the circle above the letter means no accent. So I'm saying hiwar with the r at the end. There is no hiwara, no hiwari, no hiwaru. There is no accent. Okay, it's hiwar. So a dialogue is hiwar. That's mean if I would like to start a dialogue or start a conversation with you, then that's mean I am opening hiwar with you. So I'm opening a conversation, let's say. So what are we talking about today? We're talking about the hobby. Hobby means hiwaya. This is when I am using H. So I'm saying hiwaya. And hiwaya is a female, so that's mean hobby basically is a female word. So you say هذه hiwaya because she's a female. So again, hobby is hiwaya. And I am going to read, first of all, the dialogue here. I'm going to read it in English and then in Arabic and like a little bit fast. And then I'm going to go to this dialogue word by word. So, hello, how are you? Good, and you? Not bad. What's your favorite hobby? I love computer programming, maybe. Well, I love swimming. Sports is my life. Awesome. So, what I'm saying here is that you're trying to open a conversation where you can show what's your favorite hobby, or you can share what's your favorite hobby. So, hobby again is hiwaya. Or you already know what is this. Marhaban, kayfa haluk. Now we're talking to a guy, so that's why I am focusing on a male word. So, marhaban, kayfa haluka. Kayfa haluka, which means I'm talking to a man. Kayfa haluki, which means I'm talking to a female. But for the meantime, let's just focus the dialogue that I'm talking to a man with all respect to the woman. Of course, the woman comes on the first step, and then let's say on the first level, and then the man comes on the second level. But I'm just going to focus here on the man. So, I'm gonna start reading. Marhaban, kayfa haluk. You already know this. Jayid wa ant bikhair. So jayid is a good. Wa ant and you bikhair is not bad. That's mean you're fine. but it's not bad. You like 50, let's say 60% okay. Okay? Or you can say, if you say okay, that's mean it's بخير. ما هي هوايتك المفضلة. So ما هي هوايتك المفضلة. أحب الكمبيوتر, which is the same as in English, a computer. البرمجة ربما. Say here, there's something like that here. ربما. حسنا أنا أحب السباحة. الرياضة هي حياتي. So I'm continuing. I did not finish the sentence. Okay? So the sentence is حسنا أنا أحب السباحة. الرياضة هي حياتي. رائع. Cool. Now, what are we learning here? What are the new words? So ما هي, what is, okay? And what is here is a female, because we're talking about hiwaya, and hiwaya is a female, so that's why I said ما هي. But if I'm talking about a male word, so I say ما هو. You remember this. So ما هو is for the female, and ما هي is for female. ما هو, sorry, for the male, and ما هي is female. So ما هي هوايتك المفضلة? So hiwaya is hobby. I want to say your hobby, so I say hiwaya. So as you can see, hiwaya is over here, and I'm talking about your, so I'm talking about hiwayatuka, hiwayatuka, because I'm talking about your. If I want to say my hobby, I say hiwayati, because it's my hobby, hiwayati. Yours for a male, hiwayatuka. Yours for a female, hiwayatuki. Okay? And my hobby, hiwayati. Okay? So those are the important thing that you really should know now. If you still do not understand this, you should probably ask me on a forum so I can explain it to you one more time. So ما هي هوايتك المفضلة? المفضلة means favorite. Al-Mufaddala, it's an adjective, and the adjective always follow the words before. So, if the word before is a female, then the adjectives here become female also. If the word is a male, then the adjective also becomes a male. So, in this case here, ما هي هوايتك المفضلة? What is your favorite hobby? أحب الكمبيوتر. I love computer. Or you can say أنا أحب. So both basically are working, because once you say أحب, that means you're talking about yourself. Okay? You remember the verb أحب, تحب, نحب, etc. So أحب الكمبيوتر, I like computer, or I love computer. Programming in Arabic means البرمجة. Programming means البرمجة. ربما means maybe, with a double B. ربما. Okay? So أحب الكمبيوتر. البرمجة ربما. Programming maybe. Okay? حسنا, this means well, or you can say okay. So حسنا, that's the word. And then you say أنا أحب, I love, السباحة, which means swimming. السباحة. Okay? السباحة, which means swimming. Now, الرياضة هي حياتي. الرياضة means sport. حياتي هي حياتي. So الرياضة is a female, and as you can see, you can notice that the word is a female from the ending. So الرياضة هي, that's why I'm saying هي, not هو. حياتي. حياتي is my life, and I think you already know this word. A lot of people say حياتي, حياتي. This means my life, my life. And sometimes if you're flirting with a girl, you say, you tell her that أنتِ حياتي, you're my life. You're just flirting with her. أنتِ حياتي. So also here, الرياضة هي حياتي. That means sports is my life. Awesome. رائع. I think you already know this word. So first of all, let me erase all inks here so you can have the chance to read that again. So هواية is a female. مرحبا, كيف حالك? جيد. وأنت؟ بخير. ما هي هوايتك المفضلة؟ أحب الكمبيوتر. البرمجة ربما. حسنا، أنا أحب السباحة. الرياضة هي حياتي. رائع. That was all about the first slide, and now is the time to move to the second slide.